it's Passion and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair. So my hair is already pre-washed and I deep conditioned it. So let's get right into the video. I'm just playing. All right, y'all, let's get in the video.
So I like to use a wide tooth comb. It just makes it much easier to part and detangle. So I'm going to start sectioning my hair into 4 sections. It just makes it much easier to blow dry your hair, detangle your hair with less breakage. So when I start to detangle, I go in from the tips and then I work my way up so I'm not pulling my hair out. You see how easy it just glides through your hair? That's why I love to use a wide tooth comb. When I start with the blow dryer, I also go for the tips first and then work my way up. I had to change my hand positions because that was not working for me. It's so hard trying to record yourself doing this. I'm making sure I'm really going slow, getting my roots in the middle and the back of my head. And then I flip my hair over and get under as well. You know, get my little hairs at the nape of my neck. You want to make sure that you are thoroughly drying your hair. So that's what I'm doing. And once again, I want to get it straight as possible with the blow dryer. So moving right along, I'm going to start at the tips and work my way up with detangling. Don't forget about them roots, girl. And now I'm going to combine the 2 sections that I dried together to make sure in between is dry. So moving right along to the next side, and I am starting with the front section. No particular reason, I just decided to do the front first. Alright, once again, I am going in with my wide tooth comb, starting from the tips first and working my way up. I know, I look like Cousin It, but I like to do this to make sure I'm fully drying the middle of my head, the crown, the back, everywhere. So once I'm done with the heat, I like to go in on the cool setting. So that's the little blue button that I showed you guys, just to cool my hair down, go around my edges and all that. And of course, y'all knew I couldn't end this video without having a little fun. Yes, girl. Yes. So I'm going to go back in with my wide tooth comb just to comb through my hair and make sure everything is straight as possible. I am living for this blowout, y'all. It looks so good.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.